guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Precious here. Happy 2026, and this is my second trade for the year. And before I entered this trade, I had to get clear on some things most traders completely ignore. And this year we are doing a lot of things differently, and I'm just excited to bring everything up to you guys here. This is the year we need to buy our Rolls Royce. This is the year we need to buy that Lamborghini, and I'm not even joking about it. I'm very serious about it, guys. And I'm just excited because I have a lot of things to share with you guys in this video, not just a trade setup and how to spot high probability setups. I need to share some key things about mindset with you guys. Okay, so guys, this is my second trade for the year. The first trade was on Euro USD. I sent that to the group chat, but it was a missed trade. So this is my second trade on US oil. So I'm just going to briefly explain the setup to you guys, and also so we can get right into my vision for the year 2026 from the higher time frame, from the daily time frame. This is a serious bearish market, right? We are having break of structure to the downside and all of that. But then let's go to 4 hours, and you can see in 4 hours we have this. We have a support level here in 4 hours, and then price came all the way down to mitigate our support level here. So you guys know I'm very key with confirmation, right? But it's still okay if you're not a confirmation trader. Like you can also trade from here, you know. You can also set your position to and trade from here, you see. But me, I entered from this level when I got a confirmation on 5 minutes. So you can see this is an external support level. See, price came to mitigate our external support level here. So I waited for confirmation on the lower time frame. Let's go to 5 minutes. I waited for confirmation here. So you can see price gave us a change of character here on 5 minutes. This is a change of character here. We have this internal one here. So we have this change of character. Then price came all the way down here to mitigate our other block here. So you can see we have another block here that price came to mitigate. So immediately price mitigated our other block. You can see the movement upward. Then you can see another break of structure now. So this is a conformational break of structure. I'm expecting price to buy all the way to this region here, because you can see we have a break of structure to the downside here. Then we have an order block here. So I'm expecting price to buy all the way to this level. You can see to this level here, then I can sell from here as well. So this is my second trade for the year. So fingers crossed. I'm using a 0.03 lot size, very conservative, very tiny lot size. I'm trading with my smaller account and very conservative with that account. So I'm just waiting for this trade to hit my take profit. You can see all the things I was able to spot out before entering the trade, you know. So this is just basically it. This is just it actually. So let me show you guys. Okay, I sent it to this is the only group chat I'm on. So I sent all my trade here. All the trades that I trade, I sent them here. You see stop loss, you see hit TP. So it's not so the most important thing is not that you not hit stop loss, but the most important thing is that your take profit is more than the stop loss. That is the most important. So yeah, so guys, there are some very important things I want to share with you guys in this video, and because I want us to grow together. And also, if you are not in my community group chat on Telegram, please, I will advise you to join my community group chat on Telegram, because it's not just about sharing signals, it's a supportive group chat to help beginners and also traders who have been trading for years and not profitable yet. They are tired and almost giving up. Join my community group chat on Telegram. It's a supportive group chat to help you guide you and inspire you as well not to give up, because there are some people that were once you and they got through it. So why not? You can also have your own testimony as well. So that is what my community group chat on Telegram is all about. So I'll leave the link below so you can join and benefit from all of the good stuff God is helping us to achieve in that group chat. I know a lot of you have heard about vision board, and the rest. So the reason why most people create a vision board is not because of the beautiful pictures and the beauty of it, right? If you if you want to be focused on your goals, and if you are this kind of person that you already have what you want to do ringing in your head and you are very focused, then you don't need a vision board, right? But if you are not if you are not there yet and you need a reminder, a vision board is like a reminder. When you look at it, you know, okay, this is what I need to do. This is what I need to do. I'm not just sitting down here wasting my time. I need to achieve this month. This is what I need to do. We have 365 days in a year. So it's a lot of days not to have a plan for it. Even the Bible said we should make plans, but it's very important to make plans with God, not to just make your own plans alone. So I'm creating a prayer board and also a vision board, because I feel it's very fair to tell you guys so you guys can also create your own too. Because what kind of person will I be not to come here and tell my friends that I'm creating a vision board and a prayer board for myself? So I'm just going to start the process because I want you guys to see how I'm doing it. I'm just doing it based on my personality and what I want, right? So basically this is what I'm using. This is my these are my pictures, you can see here. So I want to build a community, a sustainable community, and I have all of these pictures here. I want to get a new camera. I want to, these are the things I want for myself this year. And then you can see this is just if I need to write something more, just in case. And then I got this really biscuit sticky book, sticky notes. It smells like biscuits, you guys. It smells like chocolate biscuits. Oh, it smells so nice. And then I got this gum, this back to school gum kind of thing. Oh no, it doesn't even have. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this open. Let's just do it. And this open. So this is just it. And then punch here open. And then I got this ruler. This ruler is just for me to have like I just want to make sure everything I'm doing aligns, so that when I look at it, it's not like, oh, it's scattered, So organize things too is very important because it helps the brain. And then this is my envelope for my prayer board. So this is the envelope for my prayer board I'm using. And then I have a blue marker, and then I have black pen in case I need to write, you know but before I was able to print out these pictures, I already wrote out my plans for the year 2026. So it doesn't necessarily mean you have to even do your own vision board now this January. You can do it middle of the year, June, depends on what you want to achieve within a period of time. So it's not like I don't see vision board as a new year revolution thing that I must do. I just count 365 days is a lot of days to just go by without having a plan and a purpose of what you want to achieve. So that is why I create vision board every January. So I create my vision board, a soft copy of my vision board on my system, and also I use my phone sometimes. But last year I learned to just have a board, then I can see. And also most of you, some people have an achievement board. So this is a vision board for 2026, but by the grace of God, this vision board should turn to your achievement board in 2027. So your achievement board is on something you have achieved, and then when you're having doubts, because we are humans, we have emotions, sometimes we get overwhelmed by a lot of things going on in our lives. When you look at your achievement board and you see what you have achieved, it's very beautiful. And it's faith cometh by hearing, and hearing the word of God. So it inspires you, and then if God have done this through me, then He can also do this through me this year. So it builds your faith, and then it helps you to be grateful. Gratitude, it helps you to always be grateful to God, because gratitude to God is extremely important, so let's go start it. Let's start it. Some of you will be asking, oh, Precious, so how did you get these pictures? And how were you able to print them out? So, when you come on Pinterest here, you will get to see a lot of pictures, right? So, I already have my plans written down here. So, all I need to do is to search. So, number one is relationship with God. So, I need to just search relationship with God, and save a picture that speaks to me. So you have a lot of pictures here, so you need to save the one that speaks to you. You can pick this one, you can pick a lot of pictures there. So let's just say, for example, I'm picking this one. Now all I need to do is to come here, you know and then see download. Then I download. I look at my folder here. I created a folder for it, vision board. So I just have to click on the folder that I've already created, and then just save it there. Just save it there. That is just basically it. So now let's just get started with the creating the vision board and the rest. I'm done with this one, so you can see this is how it's looking. You can see I have a lot of space here, and when God drops other visions in my heart again, I can paste them here as well. And then you can see I wrote this Habakkuk 2 verse 2 here. Make the vision plain. And I love this, and God wants me to win, and this is just basically it. It's looking so beautiful. Even though I got a lot of space here, but as time goes by, I fill them up. And I love this is actually, I have to wait for it to dry up, then can just paste it somewhere. This is beautiful. All right, this is beautiful. And I love that I went for this option, because it's very easy to carry about than the normal board. You guys can see the trade here on the TV. So this is the trade. So you can see the trade is going very well. So today is really a very cool day. So you guys, I took my profit from here. We have an internal break of structure to the downside here. It's nothing. It's no. We are still bullish all the way here, because you are seeing a break of structure to the upside. So I'm not swinging this position. Day trading. I'm not swinging this position. This is day trading. And you can see we have a structure here. So market can pull back from here to mitigate another block here. So when market mitigate another block here, I can jump into the market. Plus, we have a crude oil news today by 4 p.m. And I'm planning of going to somewhere. So I will just take my profit here now. You can see the profits. Very small profits, but very small profit. So this is a way of testing the market this new year. You can do it anyhow you please. And this is mine. So you can see prayer board, just some scriptures, that reminds me of prayer requests, fulfillment of prophecy and the rest. So these are the scriptures. I wrote them down here. And then this is answer prayer envelope, and this is on prayer request envelope. And also these two very important. I don't want to write it yet, but I will. So this is basically it. This is Proverbs 31 woman and what she represents. Yeah. And then this is on affirmation. I don't know if I should read it for you guys. Lord, I stand on your word. Every prophecy, every promise spoken over my life will come to pass. I trust your timing. I believe your voice, and I receive the fulfillment of what you have ordained for me. So this is just it. And try it too and let me know. And so these are the two things I created today. And if you haven't done yours yet, or if you have done yours, let me know in the comment section. And if you haven't done yours yet, but you're interested, why not? Let me know in the comment section as well, and tell me when you'll be doing your own too. So this is just mine, and this is how simple it is basically. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video, and see you in my next video. Have a fruitful, prosperous, and glorious year ahead. Love you. Bye.